So today on this video, we answered the #1 question that I've been asked since the F&M expressions video is, should I really buy 15 cents transfers? Today we answer the questions that I keep getting. Should I buy 15 cents transfers? And I'll say, that's for you to make that decision, because it's based on what you would like to do. I mean, like I did said in the FM expression video that I did, and that video is getting a lot of views, a lot of likes. You should check it out if you haven't. I'm gonna link it up right here. The question is, what is it that you're trying to do with your business? Okay, if you want to use 15 cents transfers, just know that those transfers are not 100% durable. All right, I've done videos, I've seen them peel on after the wash test, and I would recommend that you do your research and decide if you should really use the 15 cents transfers. All right, because I get people also commenting that, yo, F&M expressions, they're great, man. Those 15 cents transfers are awesome. I was like, all right, cool. They didn't work for me. I'm glad they worked for you. Maybe it's my heat press, whatever it is. All right, but if you're looking to figure out if you should buy the 15 cents transfers, I would say you watch the video by yourself.
Okay, sorry about that, my camera died. But as I was saying, if you're looking to make the decision if you should buy 15 cents transfers, as for me, I would say do it based on what you're trying to do in your business. I'm still going to use them if I need to do like a one-off shirt, if I know somebody's only using this shirt for one or a couple days. But if I was starting a brand, I wouldn't recommend using 15 cents transfers. It's not durable for brands. But if it's like a one-day event type of shirt, it'll work, okay? But just not to start off a brand. It's not gonna be great. Customers are gonna bring their stuff back, and you're gonna be out of money because you're gonna have to replace them. All right, so that is my thoughts on the 15 cents transfers. But F&M do have other options, like their full color. They have 2 colors. They have different options that people think works great. I haven't used them yet. I do have a few other options in the sample pack, so I might go ahead and press one of those. But as of right now, I would say don't and do. Don't get it if you're starting the brand. Do get it if you just need something quick. Like those dudes on the beach that print t-shirts, those are F&M expressions t-shirts, because they know customers are gonna leave, they might not come back, there's gonna be a one-day event. But if you're trying to build a brand, that's not the route to go. Okay, do your research, find other companies that's doing them, and make the decision from there. All right, cool. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. If you found value in this video, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Until next time, see y'all. Peace.